What's up guys, Brian with Circle Customs. Today we have another truck for you. This is going to be a 2024 Ford F-350 Tremor. We sent this up on the 3.5 inch Carly suspension package. So we upgraded this kit to the backcountry kit with the remote reservoirs up front. Carly brought all of their shocks in-house for both the Commuter and the backcountry kits after the pandemic because of some supply chain issues, and people are absolutely raving about these shocks. We then upgraded this kit. We went with the extended sway links. This customer does have a pretty heavy in-bed camper that he utilizes. Generally, you only want to go to that torsion sway bar if you're not increasing your center of gravity all that much with something heavy like an in-bed camper. It's totally fine for towing and fifth wheel towing as well, but if you are hauling anything super tall, then you definitely want to skip out on that torsion sway bar. We also did the radius arms, which are a little bit less important on this platform than they were in previous years. You would get the radius arms where the tires would start rubbing on them if you went too big, if you weren't aggressive enough with your offsets or anything like that. However, now the radius arms are there to get your caster right and really improve ride quality, kind of improve that swing angle. Out back, we did the progressive Add-A-Pack just to support the rear a little bit more, especially with that heavy in-bed camper. And then we went with that high mount steering stabilizer to keep these wheels and tires in check. Now the wheels are going to be the 20x10 TIS 544s in this black and milk color. This is an awesome truck. I definitely love these Tremors, especially out on our test drives. After getting the kit in, it rides like an absolute dream. This Carly kit definitely increases that ride quality, especially with these solid front axle trucks. I do recommend going with a leveling kit or a lift kit that's going to change out those front coils, and this one does just that. All right guys, Brian, Circle Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna see you in the next video.